Hi everybody, today I will show you how to create a stacked bar chart in Google Sheets. So let's begin. So I've got this spreadsheet here with some data. So the first thing that you're going to do is select all your data including the headers, then go to insert at the top and choose chart. Now Google Sheet will automatically generate a chart on your screen. Now by default it might not come up as a stacked bar chart, so we need to change that. On the right side you will see chart editor panel here. Click chart type and you will see different kind of charts. Now, in my case, it's already a stacked column chart. For choosing a bar chart, you can scroll down and navigate to the bar section. And here, you will see the stacked bar chart just right here. Click on it and it will instantly appear on your screen. So once you select it, your chart updates instantly and you will see each bar is now divided into sections representing each product or column. Now, if you want to customize it a bit, you have all those options just right here. From here, you can choose stacking, choose the data range, the y-axis, you can aggregate it, add series or switch rows and columns. And you can also click on customize, choose the chart style, click on background color, change background color from here, choose the font from your chart, choose a different font for your chart, choose chart border style, you can make this 3D, maximize this chart or switch to compare mode. You can also scroll down and do all the customizations from just right here. So that's how you create a stacked bar chart in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.